C# namespace. What is C# namespace? A namespace is a container of related groups of classes, structs, enums, interfaces, and other types. You can organize related classes with a specific namespace. Namespaces help avoid name conflicts between types and provide a hierarchical structure for organizing your code. In the below syntax of declaring a namespace. Namespace is a keyword. Fruit utility is a name of the namespace. In the next given code example of namespace, fruit library is a namespace, fruit1utils is a class that has the fruit color method, and similarly, fruit2utils is a class that has the fruit color method. So we noticed that in a single namespace we can define multiple classes. You can add a using directive at the top of your C# file. This allows you to reference types from the namespace without specifying the full namespace each time. In the given example, fruit library is the namespace that we have used here as a directive. We are calling the fruit color, yellow, method of the fruit1utils class and storing the result in a string variable. You can define a namespace within another namespace and can create a hierarchical structure. This is useful for further organizing your code. In the given example, fruit1utility is an outer namespace, and fruit2utility is an inner namespace which has the fruit1utils class that has the fruit color method. So in such a way you can define nested namespaces. To use types from nested namespaces, you can either use the full namespace path or include multiple using directives. In the given example, we can access the method of the nested namespace class using this syntax using fruit1utility. Fruit2utility. When you write a code in C# but you don't define the namespace inside the code, it is considered a global namespace. This is the default namespace for types that are not explicitly placed in a named namespace. What are advantages of the namespace? Avoids name conflicts. Allows classes with the same name to exist without collision. Improves code organization. Groups related classes and interfaces logically. Enhances readability. Makes large projects easier to understand and navigate. Supports scalability. Helps manage and maintain code as applications grow. What are disadvantages of the namespace? Added complexity. Too many namespaces can make the code structure harder to follow. Long names. Deeply nested namespaces can result in lengthy and less readable class names. Maintenance overhead. Poorly planned namespaces may require refactoring as the project grows. Learning curve. Beginners may find namespace usage confusing at first. Summary. A namespace helps prevent naming conflicts, makes it easier to locate and manage code, and promotes code readability and maintainability. When you have a large application, the namespace is very useful for organizing and structuring code. Thank you for watching this C# namespace tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more useful C# and .NET videos.